Which of the following numbers are perfect cube? Okay, so to find out which of the following numbers are perfect cube, we are starting with the first number. Let's start with 729. To find out that 729 is a perfect cube or not, find out all the factors of it. Okay, to find out the factors. Now, how to find out the factors? Should know divisibility test. Any number which is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the unit place. Should remember, if you have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the unit place, that number is divisible by 2. So as it shows 9 is in the unit place, there is no 9 number here, that shows this number is not divisible by 2. Okay, check the divisibility test of 3. For divisibility test of 3, if you have number like 7 to 9, to add them, 7 plus 2 plus 9. So what are you getting? 9, 10, 11, 11 plus 7, it is 18. And if you find 18, 18 comes in 3 table, it is divisible by 3 table. That shows this entire number is divisible by 3 table. So whenever you are checking, finding out the factors, you have to first check, is this number divisible by 2? You will find it's not divisible by 2 because in the unit place you have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, which is not here. So it is not divisible by 2. Try for the 3. For 3 you have to add whatever number given. If it is 729, add 729. You got 18 divided by 3. It is divisible. That shows this entire number is divisible by 3. Let's start. 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. For all those students, those who have problem with dividing, can't do directly, divide and check. Like you have 7 2 9. If you don't know directly how to do divide, 3 2s are 6. I'm only doing the first part, rest you should divide and check. 3 4s are 12. Bring 9 down. 3 3s are 9. So altogether 243 will come here. Still, if you have any problem, just divide and check what is the answer for it. Okay, next, it's 243. Again, if you feel that this is divisible by 3 or not, add and check. 2 plus 4 plus 3. 2 plus 4 plus 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 9 is again divisible by 3. That shows this 243 is divisible by 3. So divide it. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. 81, it is 8 plus 1 9. 9 comes in 3 table. This is again divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. If you can't do directly, do the division how I taught you to divide and find the answer. 3 9s are 27. Even the rest is, if you don't have place here, let me do here. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So altogether when you check, if they are asking you which of the following numbers are perfect cube, check how many 3's you got. Here 3 cubes are there. Okay, one set of 3 cube. Then you have 1 2 3, another set of 3 cube. So perfect cube, we can call that 729 is a perfect cube because you have 2 sets of cube here. If you have 2 sets of cube, it is a perfect cube. If you have one more 2, so it won't be a perfect cube because you have 2 sets of cube here. This number is a perfect cube. That is 729 is a perfect cube. Let's do the next question. It's one example I have done. We'll do the next example. See the second question, we have to find out is it a perfect cube or not. As I told you for the first question also, when you are solving these questions, your first work is check divisibility test, that is this number is divisible by 2 or not. As I told you before, if a number is having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the unit place, all those numbers are divisible by 2. So it's applicable here that it is 0 in the unit place. So this number is also divisible by 2. Even if you have 0 and 5 in the unit place, these two numbers are divisible by 5. So it's not only it's divisible by 0, it's also divisible by 5. Let's do 100. As you want, you can take 5. You want, you can take 2. If you are taking 5, 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 20. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So these are the factors what we have got. It is divisible by both 5 and 2. You can start with 5, you can start with 2. That hardly matters, but you have to see that what is there in the unit place. Now you will find here there are 2 5. So for 100 you have 2 5s and the next 2 is 2. That is also 2. So the question is it a perfect cube or not? It's not a perfect cube. It can be a perfect square. To be a perfect cube, it has to have 3 5s and 3 2. But you don't have that. So this is not a perfect cube. The next question is 3375. To check that this number is divisible by 5 or not. Okay, so find out all the factors of 3375. 3375. As you know, the 5 is in unit place. If 0 or 5 in the unit place, that number is divisible by 5. That shows this entire number is divisible by 5. So divide by 5. Remember, if you find it difficult to do directly, you can also do division, the rough book, and then can write down here 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25. Then again divide by 5 because you have 5 in the unit place. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Again you have 5 in the unit place, the number is divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. Then this number 27. It can't be divisible by 5 because you don't have 5 in the unit place. So solve this. Now it is 27. Just check it out. 2 plus 7. Because it's not divisible by 2 also, because 0 2 6 4 is not in the unit place. So add and check. 2 plus 7 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. So that shows this 27 is divisible by 3. As it is very simple, 27, you know that 27 comes in 3 table. You can directly do, no need to add also. 3 9s are 27. The rest part I am doing it here. 9, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now, you have asked, is it a perfect cube or not? Just check. You have 3 5. Okay, you have 3 5. Write it down. You have 1 2 3 3s. That shows you have 3 5s and 3 3s. This number is a perfect cube because you have 3 number. That is 5 is 3 times and 3 is also 3 times. So it is a perfect cube. If it is 2 or 1 time, it won't be a perfect cube. So the next answer, that is 3375, is a perfect cube. So take 10 minutes and solve these questions where it is asked which of the following numbers are perfect cube, and write the answers. 10 minutes. Just little explanation for the answers. To check the perfect cube, it should be raised to 3. Here it is 3 raised to 3, but here it is 3 raised to 2. So it is not a perfect cube. You take out the factors and find out and write in this way and find out is it a perfect cube or not. See the question number 2. You see 2 cube, but it is 5 square. So again it is not a perfect cube. If you see this answer, 3 cube, 10 cube, both of them are in cube, so it is a perfect cube. Here also 17 cube, it's a perfect cube. Here all 2's are raised to 3, this is also a perfect cube. You have next set of questions, 6 to 10. Question is same. Find out which of them are perfect cube. 10 minutes and at the most 15 minutes, and then check the answers.